Hi there. Okay, so in order to get onto your teacher's Playposit classroom, what you need to do is you need to type up here playposit.com. Okay, and then it's going to pop up the screen that I was just on. Okay, you're gonna want to head you're gonna want to go ahead and try to say that 7 times fast. Go ahead and log in. What I want you to do though is I want you to sign in with Google. So go ahead and sign in with Google here. All right, so I'm going to sign in with a different account. I want you to make sure that you click student because you are a student. Okay, you have successfully joined the class. Please continue to view assignments. Okay, continue. Not sure. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to go to My Classes, and I want you to join a new class, and I want you to put in the class code that your teacher gave you. Okay, so you can just copy and paste that right in here. It has already found my code or my class that I'm already in, but you're going to have to go ahead and hit join class, and then it should say whatever the name of your class is. Okay, and that is how you add yourself to your teacher's class.